Hey friends, if you've watched me for a little bit, I am always saying that I am a lazy investor, where all my investments are on autopilot and I look at my portfolio 1 to 2 times a month. So today I'm going to show you how you can do the same and basically build wealth without constantly checking the stock market. Today we're going to be doing this on Wealthsimple Trade, but feel free to replicate this on any platform that allows auto purchases and fractional investing. So let's get into it. Step 1 is open a Wealthsimple account. If you do not have a Wealthsimple account yet, head over to the link in my description box and sign up. Wealthsimple is a zero commission platform, meaning that you don't have to pay to buy or sell any Canadian ETFs or stocks, which I love. Use the link in my description box and you will get $50. Step number 2 is to choose your investing account. So next you want to choose your right investing account. In Canada, you have a lot of options. There's the TFSA, the RSP, the FHSA, etc., etc. I would say that the TFSA is my favorite because it gives you tax-free growth. I do have a video on this if you do want to look into which one will be best for your situation. Step 3 is to automate your deposits. And this is one of the most important parts. So we want to make your whole process of buying stocks seamless. The best way to stay consistent at this is when you automate the deposit into your investing account. So to do this, I'm going to show you on my Wealthsimple account. So first you are going to go on your home screen. On the bottom, there are 2 arrows pointing either direction. Just click on that. Then click deposits. And you can deposit into your TFSA accounts, for example. Then you are going to pick the account that it comes from. And then you can pick how often you want this deposit to happen. So let's say you want the deposit to happen bi-weekly. You can select the dates you want it to start, and then you choose the amount that you want to deposit. So here you can see I've set up a deposit for $150 that comes in on a bi-weekly basis. Personally, I recommend aligning this with your payday so that this way you can invest before you even get the chance to spend the money. For example, I get paid every other Friday, so I have set up this deposit that every other Friday the money also comes into my account. Step number 4 is to pick your ETFs. So now it is time to pick your ETFs, or you can even pick individual stocks. I think you should keep it simple where you pick 2 or 3 diversified ETFs, or even you can pick 2 or 3 stocks that you want to invest in on a regular basis. Some solid choices for some ETFs, and this is not financial advice, make sure you're doing your research, but VEQT would be one that I would look into. This is a one-stop global equity ETF. There's also VFV if you want just access to the S&P 500. There's also VCN if you want exposure to the Canadian stock market. So pick whichever one makes most sense, or whichever ones make most sense for your situation. For example, let's say you're putting $500 every 2 weeks into the stock market. You can now say that you want to buy $250 worth of VFV and $250 worth of VCN. Remember, you do not need to buy a whole ETF. With Wealthsimple, the great part is that you can have fractional investing. So you can start investing with as little as $1. So you don't have to be able to afford the whole ETF in order to buy it. Step 5 is that you automate your ETF purchases. So we have automated the purchase of putting the money into your account, but now we can take it to the next level and actually set up recurring ETF purchases. So again, we're going to align this with our paycheck. For example, if you get paid every other Friday, let's say that the money comes into your account every other Friday as well. We are now going to set up our purchases or auto purchases for every other Monday. The reason I do this and I put a little bit of time between them is so that I can let the money drop in the accounts on Friday. And then by Monday, when the markets open, we are first to purchase our ETFs. So let me show you how to do this on my screen. Let's say again that we're going to buy VCN. You can just put in VCN here. So you can say that you want to click buy. And then instead of clicking market or limit, you're going to go to the very bottom and click recurring. So this means that you are going to buy a recurring amount of VCN every however often you want. So $250 again is what we're putting in. So we're going to say $250 and we're going to start, the following Monday after our deposit hits. So we're going to start on the 31st. And then you are going to say that this is bi-weekly so that it's aligning with your paycheck once again. And your funding source can actually be your TFSA because the money will already be in your TFSA account. All you're going to do is click review and then confirm. And then your portfolio is running on autopilot. The other option you can do is instead of doing one deposit where it comes into your account and one deposit where you buy stocks, you can actually have the money just pulled directly from your account and buy stocks automatically there. So to do this, I would click buy. I would click recurring. And then I would do the same thing where I'm gonna start every other Friday this time because that's when you get paid. And then I would say that my funding source is actually from my bank account. So I would select my bank account and that is all. So $250 every 2 weeks, and then it will come directly from your bank account. So choose which option is best for you. You can repeat this in all of your portfolios. If you have a TFSA, if you have an RSP, an FHSA, an RESP for your children, you can do this in every single account that you have. And this way your money is always working for you. So Wealthsimple handles all the rest from here on out. The last step would just be to check in on your account periodically, and that is it. Your portfolio is now running on autopilot. I personally check my account on a monthly basis. So every month or every 2 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling, I check my account. But I feel like this strategy is the best because it allows you to not really stress about the ups and downs in the market. You are purchasing your set investments regardless of what is happening in the market. I also have a video on the top 4 ETFs that I am currently purchasing. So check that video out if you would like to watch it. And that is it. That is how you build a hands-free ETF portfolio with Wealthsimple. So if this video was helpful, or if you want me to show you this on another platform, please leave that comment down below. Hit that like button as well. Subscribe to my channel and drop a comment if you have any additional questions. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.